Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever understood English perfectly while watching videos, but when someone asks you a simple question, you suddenly don't know what to say? Don't worry, this happens to millions of English learners around the world. The good news is that speaking English confidently does not require perfect grammar or thousands of difficult words. What you really need is daily speaking practice with simple, natural English that you can actually use in real life. In today's lesson, we are going to practice useful English sentences for different situations in your daily routine. The goal is simple: listen carefully, repeat every sentence aloud, and try to imagine yourself in each situation. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. So, let's begin today's English speaking practice. Start your day in English. Imagine that your alarm has just gone off. Instead of checking your phone immediately, spend 1 minute thinking in English. You can say, "Good morning. It's time to wake up. Today is going to be a great day. I feel fresh and positive. I am thankful for this new day. I am ready to learn something new. I will speak English today. I believe in myself. Every day I am improving." These simple sentences train your brain to think directly in English. Or getting ready. Now you are getting ready for your day. Practice these sentences. I need to brush my teeth. I need to wash my face. I am taking a shower. I am getting dressed. Everything is ready. I should leave soon. Where are my shoes? I have everything I need. I am ready to go. Repeat these sentences every morning until they become natural. Breakfast time. Now you are sitting at the table. Let's practice. I am feeling hungry. What should I eat today? I would like some coffee. This food tastes delicious. The tea is hot. The breakfast is healthy. I am eating slowly. I feel full now. Thank you for this meal. Remember, simple English spoken every day is much more useful than difficult English that you never use. Speaking English at home. You don't need another person to practice English. You can talk about everything you're doing. For example, I am making my bed. I need to clean the floor. The room looks much better now. I am watering the plants. I am opening the window. The weather is nice today. I need to organize my desk. Everything is clean now. Talking to yourself in English is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency. Practice conversation person. 1. Hi, what are you doing? Person 2. I am organizing my room. Person 1. Are you busy? Person 2. Not really. Person 1. Can I help you? Person 2. Yes, please, thank you. Person 1. You are welcome. Person 2. Let's finish it together. Short conversations like these help you become comfortable with real English. English for study. If you are a student, practice these sentences. I am studying English today. I have an online class. I need to finish my homework. I am learning new expressions. I am taking notes. I don't understand this word. Let me check the meaning. Now I understand. I am improving every day. Learning is a journey, not a race. English at work. If you work, these sentences are useful. I have an important meeting. I need to reply to my emails. Let's finish this task. I am working on a new project. Everything is going well. Can you help me with this? Thank you for your support. Let's do our best today. Positive words create positive confidence. Outside practice. Now imagine you are walking outside. Describe everything you see. The sky is clear. The air feels fresh. There are many people around. The road is busy. I can hear birds singing. The park looks beautiful. Everyone seems happy. It's a lovely day. The more you describe your surroundings, the more naturally English comes to you. Shopping practice. Imagine you are inside a supermarket. Excuse me, can you help me? Where can I find milk? How much is this? That's a little expensive. Do you have a cheaper one? I would like to buy this. Can I pay by card? Thank you. Have a nice day. These are real-life sentences that you can use anywhere. Talking about yourself. People often ask simple questions. Let's practice the answers. My name is. I live in. I enjoy learning English. I like reading books. I love watching educational videos. My goal is to speak English confidently. I practice every day. I never stop learning. Talking about yourself is one of the best speaking exercises. Evening English practice. Now your day is almost over. Take 2 minutes to speak English. Today was productive. I completed my work. I learned something useful. I spoke English today. I made some mistakes. That's okay. Mistakes help me improve. Tomorrow I will do even better. I am becoming more confident every day. Daily motivation. Always remember this. You don't become fluent by watching videos alone. You become fluent by speaking every single day. Speak English while walking. Speak English while cooking. Speak English while studying. Speak English while working. Even 5 minutes of daily practice can change your future. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Start now. Every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. Believe in yourself. Stay consistent. Keep practicing and never give up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and subscribe to our channel for more simple and practical English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and most importantly, keep speaking English every day. See you in the next lesson.